Hey, this is Master Fitch at World Martial Arts Academy SoCo. Today we're continuing our series on the how-to kicks. Today we're demonstrating a tornado roundhouse kick. Good. Guard stance.
Aye.
Aim your front foot heel toward your target. Turn head, make eye contact. Pivot, jump kick.
Aye.
Set stance. That's aim your front foot toward the target, the heel, pivot, make eye contact, pivot, and jump kick.
Aye.
Okay. Set stance. This is your tornado roundhouse. Hada!
Aye.
Hada!
Aye.
And turn side.
Sir.
All right, good. Aim your heel at your target, make eye contact, pivot, and jump.
Aye.
Good. And hada!
Aye.
And hada!
Aye.
And show.
Samida.
There you have tornado roundhouse.